Before you begin, what cybersecurity really is and isn't, imagine walking into a room full of digital doors. Some are locked, some are wide open. Your job in cybersecurity? It's not to break in, it's to understand how anyone could and how to protect those doors from being opened by the wrong hands. Let's bust the first myth. Cybersecurity is not about hacking Instagram accounts or breaking into your ex's Facebook. That's not cool. That's illegal. Real cybersecurity is about defense, about thinking like a hacker and using that knowledge for good. Here's what you really need to know before diving in. Programming basics: Python, Bash, or even C. Not a master coder? No worries, but you need to know how code works. Operating systems: you'll live in Linux, breathe in Windows internals, and sometimes even play with Mac systems. Networking fundamentals: packets, protocols, IP, addresses, firewalls. You can't secure what you don't understand. Database awareness, SQL injection, that's just one reason to know how databases work. Observation to detail: the best hackers, they're insanely curious and detail obsessed. This field is powerful. It can save companies, protect nations, and yes, even pay really well. But it's not for the lazy, not for those looking for shortcuts. It's for the ones who want to build, break, and protect with purpose.